Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mada Hijazi and my partner Saleh Sinani. Our project today is a simulation of cockpit construction layout. A project outline. It includes company background, project background, problem definition, entity, resource, flow chart of the system, current layout model, improved layout model, and results. Company background. Cockbell Construction established in 1993 at Vidor, Texas. Cockbell jobs are metal fabrication, construction service, industrial services. Project background. Our project background is improved current layout to avoid waste in time, distance, and money, minimize the waste of waiting time, and use the most 5 common products to build our model. Problem definition. Since cockpit construction has an almost infinite number of products and not enough space for all machines to be permanently placed, this creates an efficient layout where production suffers along with quality and safety concerns. Collecting data and studying the current layout process, we can see that we need to add more machines to minimize the waiting time and queue. Our entity, we start with the sheet metal, enter the system and exit as plate, shim, shoes, clamps, and wear band. The resource, plasma CNC machine, brace brake machine, welding machine, fitting machine, tabbing, and drilling machine.
Here we have the flow chart of the system. We can see that the company have the order received, then the type of the job, and we can see that we have 5 different processes for each product. As we mentioned in the previous slide, we have 5 products, and I will explain next slide. The simulation model for the current layout. Actually, the company starts with the sheet metal, then they produced these 5 products from the sheet metal, and we use the decide to decide the percentage for each product. As you can see that shim or shoes has 4%, shim 5.8%, wear band 10%, and the clamps 7.9%, and the remaining percent go to plates. Then we assign for each product the entity type, entity picture, and the entity sequence. And we used sequence because each product has different process. Then the product go to the order release station, and by forklift or the forklift transport the product to the particular station by the sequence plan. Here we have our animation. Actually, we draw the facility layout by Visio, and we imported it in the simulation. We can see that here we have the bending station, which is a pressure brake machine, CNC plasma table with a cutting station, welding station, drilling station, and also here we have the rolling station. And the lines represent the distance and like the way for the forklift inside the plant. Here we have the Cockbill company process plan. We have the current layout result. Actually, we focus on the queue or the waiting time for the bending process queue and for the cutting process queue, because we noticed that most products go to this process and stations. So the queue waiting time for the cutting process is 41.6 minutes, and we will try to reduce that number. We use the process analyzer to find the best solution, and we can see that in the first scenario we just have only 1 machine for each station, and the statistic plasma CNC table machine have 35 minutes. and 3.5 minutes for the press break. Then in the third scenario, which is the best scenario, we have two machines in the plasma CNC table, and we also add a two machine for the press break, and we can see the reduce in time from 35.01 to 1.9 minutes in the plasma CNC table, and also in the press break from 3.5 to 0.2 minutes. The here we add the machines for the plasma CNC table and for the press break machine in the improved model. Then here we have the result for the queue waiting time for the improved model. We can see that the number of or the time for the waiting time reduced a lot to like 0.5 minutes in the bending process and just 2.1 minutes in the cutting process queue. Also, we have another compare between the current layout and improved layout for the waiting time for each product. For example, for the clamps product, the wait time reduced from 53.6 minutes to 11.8 minutes, and also for all other products. Thank you so much.